Tired of endlessly scrolling through Pinterest for room inspiration? Let's unlock the power of AI to visualize your dream space with Midjourney. First, head over to Discord and join the Midjourney server. Navigate to one of the newbie channels now. Type "Imagine" followed by a detailed prompt describing the room you envision. Be specific. For example, a minimalist living room with a large window, neutral colors, and a comfortable sofa. Midjourney will generate for different variations based on your prompt. Review these initial concepts till they capture the overall mood. If not, refine your prompt and try again. Consider adding details like flooring material, lighting style, or specific furniture pieces. Once you find a design you like, use the U buttons U1, U2, U3, or U4 to upscale that specific variation to a higher resolution. This will give you a clearer, more detailed image. If you like the general concept but want to explore subtle variations, use the V buttons V1, V2, V3, or V4 to generate similar images with slight differences in composition or style. Upscaling and creating variations allows you to fine-tune the design until it perfectly matches your vision. Experiment with different prompts, furniture styles, and color palettes to explore endless possibilities. And there you have it. Using Midjourney, you can easily generate stunning room designs and photorealistic visualizations to inspire your next home makeover. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI-powered design tips.